The Bose QC35 is my favorite Bluetooth ANC headphones. As soon as I learned the QC45 is out, I can't wait to pre-order it. And now it's here. Let's take a look. The ergonomics and the control and sound quality is amazing on these QC35. Wow, look at that, my brand new 45. Okay, the familiar case, nothing new here. The same design. The headphone looks slightly different. Keep in mind, my QC35 is the previous gen. And the voice assistant button, which is missing from my QC35 first gen. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. 3.5 millimeter aux cable. Oh, by the way, keep in mind this thing is 3.5, but this side is 2.5, I think. And the USB Type-C charging cable. In the previous gen, the QC35 was micro USB charging. All right, let's see what else. Well, it feels great. The material is a bit different. A sloped design, that's the same. This cushion appears to be different. It is leather, feels like a leather, and this part is fabric. USB Type-C charging. I got a USB power meter here. I'm gonna plug in the charging cable. It's a very short cable. 5.2 volts and 0.3 amps. That is around 1.5, 1.6 watts charging speed. These buttons are rounded now, slightly different from the recessed design in the QC35. Logo is silver, and this one has like a 3D logo. And the logo here, obviously to save cost, I think they're just printed. Doesn't matter. And headband is still metal. All right. I will do a more detailed review later, I think, in terms of sound quality and microphone test.